5 steps to overcoming weakness. So you decided you have a weakness, or a few. You're tired of the weak. You're ready to bring on the strength. But how? The question is less about how and more about when. There are lots of ways to overcome your weaknesses, but if you don't start, you'll never get there. So start with these 5 steps. These will give you a push in the right direction, and you can decide what feels most natural to you and go from there. 1. Stop holding yourself back. Have you ever taken some time to think about your actual weaknesses? It's not fun, and it's not easy. But in order to work on your weaknesses, you need to figure out what they are. Take a magnifying glass to yourself and try to pinpoint the things you'd like to change or improve. 2. Dig deeper. Once you know what's holding you back, dig a little deeper. It's not a simple finding. Typically, your weaknesses come from something more substantial than a surface-level flaw or failure. Dig into that to make sure you can stop it at the root rather than just the branch. 3. Find your why. Why do you want to work on your weaknesses? Is it because you're struggling at work? Are you having trouble in your relationship? Are you working on New Year's resolutions? Whatever it is that is inspiring you to be better, find it, document it, and live by it. 4. Plan it out. You've decided to work on your weaknesses. You know your reasons. What's next? Now you need a plan. Your plan is vital to make sure you actually execute these dreams. It's no small feat to work on your weaknesses. You'll need something to keep you motivated, and that begins with actionable steps of an involved strategic plan. 5. Ask for help. No one said you have to do this alone. Find a crew of supporters who will back you up, encourage you on your bad days, and help you improve as a person. A lot of people think asking for help exposes your weaknesses, but it's quite the opposite. Asking for help means you're admitting that you can't do something alone. Not because you're weak, but because you're brave enough to go after those big goals in the first place. Easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations on working on your weaknesses. Every step in the process is important, just as every step is enjoyable. Enjoy the process of working on yourself.